Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix banned Telegram. If your Telegram account has been banned, it's important to understand why it happened and how you might address it. And here's a guide. And you have to understand the reason for the ban. Telegram usually bans accounts for violating its terms of services. Common reasons include engaging in spamming, harassment, distributing inappropriate content, or participating in activities that violate Telegram's policies. And if you believe your account has been banned in error or if you're unsure why it happened, you can try contacting Telegram support for clarification. Just go to the Google and search for Telegram support and tap the first option that says support. What you have to do is you have to describe your problem that your account has been banned, and you need to type down your email as well as your password, and then go to submit after you're done filling the form. And Telegram sometimes allows users to appeal a ban, and if you believe your ban was unjustified, you can try appealing it through the app or website. And once your account is reinstated, make sure to follow Telegram's policies and guidelines to prevent future bans. This may include refraining from spamming, harassing, and other users, or sharing inappropriate content. And if your account remains banned and you're unable to resolve the issue, you may need to create a new Instagram account, and you need to make sure to adhere to Telegram's policies with your new account to avoid getting banned again. And before creating a new account, you have to consider backing up any important chats, files, or media from your banned account if possible. And this will help you ensure you don't lose valuable information. And remember that Telegrams take account bans seriously, so it's important to address any issues promptly and adhere to platform's policies to prevent further problems. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix ban Telegram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.